So what you'll need to do next is you'll need to make a head, neck, and shoulders out of the same material, out of this box that you're cutting up, and that will get mounted onto the background that you're saving. So you can see where I did that earlier with the sample that you guys saw. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm actually going to need to cut out a second piece of this that is the same size. So I know my person's going to fit on there. Now, I did a self-portrait, but for you guys, you could do another self-portrait, but we've already done a self-portrait, so if you want to, I'm going to be okay with you guys doing a portrait of a different person. Andy Warhol would choose famous people, so you could actually choose a famous person yourself. So I have my second piece ready. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to need to draw and then cut out my head, neck, and shoulders. Okay, so I'm going to make sure these match. They're the right size, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw the head, neck, and shoulder shape for my person. So we decided before you're doing an oval for your head. And if you know your person's going to have a lot of hair, you need to leave room for that. You don't want to do like a little Barbie doll sized head. You want it to be bigger than that. So I'm doing my oval. Then I would do the neck and the shoulders. So the neck is going to attach over here somewhere. The shoulders are going to come down and go off the page there. Then you're going to need to cut this out all as one shape. So I'm going to cut on the line. Now that means when I get to where I'm cutting the neck and the head where they join, I have to make a decision. Do I cut off their head or do I cut out their head? I want to cut out their head. So I'm going to have to choose to follow this line. So when I get to the other side, I'll have the same decision to make. Do I turn and follow and cut along the chin or the neck? You should be cutting on the neck because that would cut everything out. And it would keep it attached. This is now ready for me to glue to here. So you're going to glue that on and then you'll see the next step.